Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is an amazing unboxing video. I have 4 boxes that I'll be showing you what exactly is inside of them and who exactly sent them. I haven't uploaded anything in this channel for 2 weeks, and this never happened since I have this channel. This channel it'll be 3 years since I've been uploading on this channel, and it never happened. Let me tell you why. I thought I was able to do hair in Tampa, upload my videos here in Tampa, and fly to other cities to do hair. We've been to Oakland, California, and we've been to Houston, Irvington, New Jersey. I was supposed to be in Atlanta this week, but we ended up canceling it because not only flying like this stressed me out, I ended up gaining a lot of weight because I was eating crap only. So I'm slowing down on traveling. I am coming to Brooklyn, San Diego in March. I'll make sure I list it in the info box. Let me go ahead and start showing you what exactly I have here. This is from a black-owned business named Best Braiding Hair. Wait a minute. Luxury Braiding Bundles. Yeah, bestbraidinghair.com. That's the name of the company. This braider is actually located in Atlanta. I'll go ahead and open this and show you what's inside of it. Hold on. Okay, she just started, oops. Well, it's the same thing. She just starts selling. Ooh. Oh, I didn't know she would send me all that. This is a lot. This is not actually hair. This is like a yarn fiber. So this is yarn. It feels like hair, but it's not hair. So stay tuned. You'll be seeing me using this on my channel very soon. See, it's not hair. I actually have a client who is Muslim, and she recently told me that she doesn't wear fake hair anymore because she's Muslim now. So this will be perfect for her. I need to contact her and see if she'll be interested in using this on her hair. Okay, this is one says black. Oh, Brazilian wool. Okay, this is wool. Yarn, Yaba yarn collection. Real hair feel. It does feel like hair. 100% acrylic hand machine crafting yarn. Blah blah blah. Okay. Stay tuned for this one. Next we have, oh, I have to hurry because I don't want to have long videos. This is from GBS Hair. Remember I told you I have a website now that's called shopbeautycanbraid.com. So this hair will be listed there. Let me hurry up and show you what. I'll do my best to link everything that I open here. Okay, wait a minute now. Okay, that I had an unboxing video where I showed this hair, but it didn't have curly ends. So this one has, oh my, like this one has curly ends. This is very pretty. I like that. Okay. The name is 2X Real Box Braid 18-inch color one. I like that. This is pretty. I do have this hair, but without the curly ends. This is interesting. Let's see. And it's super light too. This is super light. The braids are kind of hard though. They are very firm, but super light. I like that. Okay. So stay tuned to see me using this hair very soon. Let's see how much they sent. Okay. Everything is color one. Probably 8 packs. Let me see. Yeah, probably 10 packs, and that should be enough. Stay tuned to see this one from GBS Hair. Okay, this is from Feel Beauty. Let me hurry up and open this. what we have here. More got, oh well, this is Gypsy Lock 14-inch by Afri Natural. This is beautiful. See? Okay. Those are very light. Very, very light. 14-inch Gypsy Lock. Very, very light. Let's see. The 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So each pack has 16 individual locks in them. And you'll be seeing this on this channel soon. I'll see if I can do the individual crochet method or the regular crochet method with it. And oh my god, they sent so much hair. Wow. Wait a minute now. So this was 14-inch. This is 20-inch. The same hair, 20-inch. Same curl pattern at the end. I don't have to take this out and show it to you. You've seen the 14-inch, so this should be enough. So this is 20-inch and they have it in 14 inches. Interesting. Let's see what else I got here. Oh, that's all they sent. This is a lot of hair. Wait a minute now. Okay. Okay, Feel Beauty. Feel Beauty sent one type of hair, 2 different lengths. The Gypsy Lock 20-inch and the Gypsy Lock 14 inches. Thank you very much, Feel Beauty. This time they didn't send me the bag. Where is the bag? Oh, well, I have enough bag anyway. Oh, they sent other colors. This is so pretty, look. Oh, wow. Thank you very much, Feel Beauty. Oh. Let me take a look at this one very close. Okay, okay. What I like about this one is the fact that they look frizzy already, so that makes them look more realistic. So thank you very much, Feel Beauty. Let me check the next box. Okay, now the last box. Oh, let's see. From Beauty Plus, Janet Collection. Okay, this is from Janet Collection. When I was in New Jersey, that's where their headquarters is. I visited their headquarters. Oh my god. I'll insert a clip showing you how the inside look, because they let me film it. And they gave me the choice to pick hair, and I picked a few packs, so that's what they said here. I just got back from New Jersey, so it didn't take them long to send me what I picked, because I told them I wouldn't fly with all that hair. So they mailed them instead. Let's see if they have sent everything now. Okay. This is a lot. I was supposed to do a specific video for that because they sent so many products. Okay, I asked for that book. They gave me the book. Thank you. It's the journal. I asked for this and they gave me this. So most likely I know exactly what's in there. I asked for that wig. This wig looks like nothing like the model. When you see that wig in person, oh my god, it's so pretty. I have to make a separate video for this wig. It looks so good. And this right here, I saw these in person and I wanted it. What else? And that's another wig that I saw too. I told them I wanted this, so they gave it to me. Thank you very much, Janet Collection. Ooh, let's see. Oh, here's some human hair bundles that they have. I saw this curl pattern and I fell in love. Look. This is so pretty. You see? Unfortunately, it doesn't come with closure, so I have to make a full wig with that. See how pretty this look. I don't know which website exactly is selling all this hair, but I'll try to do my best. I'll do my best to see if I can find them and link them down below. I saw these 2 bundles. See, it's 2 bundles in one pack. I saw these and I told them that, oh, I need this, and then they mail them out. Oh, what else we have? Oh, let me show you this. This is just a cute ponytail, see? And I asked for 1B and they gave it to me. Cute ponytail. Okay. And those are just simple. This is new hair that Janet Collection came up with. And when I tell you, these look so good. And they did a great job on the model hair too. Look. This is so pretty. Look. So pretty. Wow. This is the Peruvian perm and natural texture, and it does feel natural when you touch it. And when I tell you, this is pretty. And can you believe this is 22 inches? When I first saw it, I said, oh, it's 18 inches. When I saw it, I told them there's no way this can be 18 inches. This is 22 inches. I don't really like comparing hair companies like that, but when you see this in any stores, it says 22 and they saying this is 18. I said, well, great. Let's see. Peruvian perm. And the Peruvian perm came in ombre too. Stay tuned for all these. That's a lot of video for me to do. See, this is so pretty. I like this. And it's very light. See what else they give me. Let's see, Peruvian perm, same thing. Peruvian perm. Oh, they just gave me a lot of Peruvian perm. Let me double check. Yeah, exactly. Peruvian perm and Peruvian perm. So stay tuned to see the video. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you on my next one.